Mia's a champion. She's a hero. She's been a hero numerous times at the vet clinic.
They'd said to us, because they were big dogs that we had at the time, you know, would you be prepared for your dogs to go on the donor list? And we went, wow, what a great idea.
I reckon my dogs are heroes because they save lives of other dogs when they need it.
Well, we don't have enough really. We have about 6 dogs on our donation list at the moment. A lot of those are owned by the vets here at the vet practice. It certainly does save lives without a doubt, and saving a dog's life is a good day.
Mia, sit.